Hello guys, I wanted to teach you guys how to make two pom-poms. One of the things you're gonna need is a circle. You can make a circle and make a smaller circle out of a cardboard or anything that's gonna be sturdy enough for you when you're doing your wrapping. Or you can make them smaller size, so you can choose whatever size and make them, okay? So, you're also gonna need scissors and also strips of tulle. You can either get them pre-cut from like a Michael's or Joann's, I don't know who sells them, but I got these from Michael's. Or you can cut them yourselves if you have a bigger, if you have a bunch of tulle at home, okay? So let's get started. So first we're gonna get this and we're gonna start at the top right here and we're gonna just start wrapping. These would be great for rollerblades because I know there's not a lot of stuff for rollerblades or quads. These are great for kid skates too. These are really cute when you put them on. So you're gonna keep wrapping. Keep wrapping. You're gonna go all the way around. You're gonna try to get this all the way around. These are great because these are pre-cut. Okay, so what we're gonna end up with is this, okay? So you're gonna wrap it and then you're gonna end up with it looking like this. Once you've done this and you've wrapped it all the way around, you're gonna take your scissors and you're gonna find a little opening here. Let's just cut these excess. This is excess. Find a little opening and we're gonna start cutting. Take your time. This is when you wish you had bigger scissors. Sharper scissors. All the way around. And when you're making these, you could be as creative as you want to be. You can mix colors and do whatever you want. That's the whole point when you're making things, especially for yourself or other people. You want to be as creative as you want to be. Okay, so now you see, looks like a tutu. So we're going to take another piece of tulle. And we're just gonna wrap it, make a nice tight knot around it like this. Gonna tighten it, tighten up. See? And then you're gonna take it and kind of string. You're going to take your scissors, you see these? I'm going to just cut the top. So here we go, 2 pom-poms. If you want to put glitter or anything like that on these have glitter. They already come like that. Or you can, if you want to do it yourself, you just buy the spray adhesive and you get your glitter and you just glitter all over it. I hope you guys learned something and had fun. And if you do try that, please, I want to see what you've created. This has been fun. Thank you. Bye.